Hey guys, welcome to a channel update video. Don't mind the hair, still trying to figure it out. But pretty much about the VS suspension upgrade videos, it's done. It's still got a fair few problems. It's knocking on the front left. I'm going to figure that out during the week. I don't think I'll make a video about that. It's just me trying to just find something that's loose. But anyway, yeah, so essentially it's a success. We're in the middle of lockdown at the moment, so I can't exactly get a wheel alignment though, which is really annoying. But I've done some research and I've done a string alignment, and I've got zero toe all around. Still got to do more research. Apparently rear-wheel drive cars, or maybe all cars, benefit from a little bit of toe inwards on the front. I've got a live axle, so I can't do anything about toe on the back. So my hard drive died, so I've lost a little bit of part 2 footage. There's 5 parts if I'm editing it right. I haven't begun editing it. I get bored. But anyway, so part 2, some of part 2 is gone, but I filmed another conclusion for part 2, I guess. So that will be going up. They'll be going up in order. Hopefully there's enough to part 2, and hopefully I've still got enough footage from the rest of the parts. But yeah, so the hard drive failed, and then the whole computer failed, the whole laptop. I think I actually started filming another video. I'm not sure if it's going to go up, but I just went on a rant about my Asus laptop. I did get a budget one, so that could have something to do about why it was so shit. But anyway, yeah, so just a quick update on that, and a little update on my most recent project, why I look so pretty. I repurposed an old iMac. I've gutted it, and I've put an LED strip all the way around, and luckily enough, the the power supply that's in these machines are like something like 15 amp 12 volt DC, perfect to run this LED strip. So I cracked it open, gutting it, expecting to put my own power supply in there, but I read the specs on the power supply already in there, and voila. So all I had to do was a couple wires and an LED strip, and ta-da! So this is going to be my new bedside table light. This is going to be my new bed light. Oh, what happened? The camera doesn't like how bright this is. But anyway, and I like I actually like how you can see the kind of the internal structure through the thin plastic. I've actually got an LED strip back here shining directly on it, so that's why it's so in your face. It's not bleeding from the screen. There's no way. So I had to take the screen apart too. I've taken the LCD panel out, and I've put an LED strip, yeah, all the way around. But to be able to, it's usually backlit top and bottom. To be able to get it on the edges, just so I didn't have to cut up the LED strip, just so I could keep it going. To get it on the edges, I had to do some hacking of the LCD panel. But yeah, makes for a fantastic video light. Very nice and distributed. No, some D word. Anyway, yeah. So this is going in my room. It's replacing something I made back in, I think, year 12. It was like a rustic look. I'm sick of it now, and it doesn't really produce too much light. So this is going in its place. So if you like content like this, even though there wasn't much content, it was just kind of like a, wow, look at this. If you're into this stuff, then don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and hopefully the VS suspension upgrade videos will be coming out soon. Anyway, see you later.